we're showing you a 2016 John Deere 5085M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. The tractor has 85 horsepower. It is loaded with lots of options. Got the front work lights in the cab. It's got the front fenders, front weight carrier. The tractor's got under 100 hours on it. It's practically like brand new. Got the Firestone Radial tires on it. Cornerpost exhaust. 2 entry doors in the cab, and again it does have the Firestone Radial tires on it, and again under 100 hours. Tractor's practically brand new. It's got the telescopic 3-point arms, stabilizer bars, 540 and 540 EPTO. Got the triple rear hydraulics. Tractor also has the triple mid hydraulics. Got the buttons back here to raise and lower your arms. Toolbox here on the side of the cab. Inside the cab, it looks brand new in here. Still smells new. Still has the plastic on the seat. Has a buddy seat here to the side. It's a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Also have the shuttle control down here, which is a nice little feature. Tractor does have the 3216 transmission. You've got 4 ranges back here. Your C and D, which are the 2 high ranges, are synchronized. Also have the 1, 2, 3, 4, which is fully synchronized, plus a 2-speed power shifter, excuse me, which you can shift without clutching. Gives you a total of 32 forward speeds. Loader control right here. If you do want to add a loader, it's easily done. It does have the third function. If you want to add a grapple, you can easily do that to your loader. Control console, you've got your 3-point hydraulic controls as well as your PTO selector and engagement. 4-wheel drive and hand throttle are also there within easy reach. Up top you've got the radio, climate controls, rear view mirror, sun visor, and again just about a brand new tractor. It's got less than 100 hours on it. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. You can also add a loader to this tractor. If you need a loader, we can certainly add that for you. If you have any questions, please contact us.